guys, welcome to my channel Mr. Good Channel 1, and today I want to show you review and unboxing Anker cable to charge your iPod, iPhone and iPad devices. This comes in this box. As you can see, this is American's leading USB charging brand. Very nice box. We can look inside. Very beautiful package from Anker. Let's look on the cable. You can see that everywhere is marked. In the box we have cable, as you can see, lighting. The quality is very good and very cool touch case. Serial number. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. One more time I will show the quality is very good. Thanks.